Hello guys, welcome to my channel BK Vocal. Today we are going to discuss on one of those critical aspects where every employee wants importance to be given. So, are you being taken so important, or are your words being given very importance in your team and by your manager? So, today's important topic is how to be taken seriously at office or at work. So let's start and understand these points, and I'm sure these points would make it very convenient for you to be successful for working for an organization for a longer duration. So let's start the session. The first and foremost thing you need to keep in mind is always be in time to the office. See, any employee who reports to office 10 to 15 minutes before the given time will have an advantage compared to the people who are reporting late. So when you reach office early, you will have a lot of points that you can discuss, or you can talk to other team members or people who are outside your team. You can discuss or talk to them and understand what is happening in and around office. So you will get a lot of information when you start reaching your office early. Then what you need to keep in mind is you need to be very accountable. You, whatever is the task given to you, you should be able to execute it on time. Start executing it on time. Take the responsibility of helping other employees or other colleagues. This would definitely give you an added advantage, and you will be one of those people who are given utmost importance in the team as well. So the next point what we need to consider is stop giving excuses. A lot of people give excuses. I am late. Why are you late? So when someone asks you why you are late or what is happening, why you are not able to finish the task, they will have every time some excuse or the other. So avoid such kind of excuses. When you start giving excuses, people will start taking you very lightly. So if you need an attention, make sure you are adhering to whatever is the commitment that you are given it to the company. So always keep it in mind that you are communicating things very clearly and very affordably, because when you have a clarity in your thought, obviously all these things will start executing. All the three other points that we have discussed will automatically fall into its place as well. So whatever you deliver, make sure you are delivering it with confidence. See, the moment you take, or the moment you think that things are not working, and the moment you start your work, you say, hey, this is not going to work out, man, why should we put in efforts and all, this kind of attitude will spoil your whole day. And I'm sure these things, this project what you're going to take it up will be a failure in the start itself. So never do that stuff. When you start doing such kind of things, then you will not be taken serious and you are a failure. So keep all these 5 points in mind. See, all these points are known to everyone, but are you putting that into practice is really important. So take all these points into consideration, put that, execute in your office work, and I'm sure that you will be successful, and then you will be taken very easily. So I hope you have enjoyed the video today. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it. All the best. Do well.
Like, subscribe, and share.